It's Steve and Maggie. It's Steve and Maggie. Let's learn and play.
Hey, Steve! Let's play!
Oh, not now, Maggie. I'm watching this rocket on TV. It's exciting.
I'll show Steve something exciting. Really exciting. Abracadabra!
Oh, hi, girls and boys. Hey, look, the rocket is about to blast off.
Yeah.
Count down with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, Maggie, you naughty, naughty bird.
Where's Steve? Steve?
Oh, wow! I can fly! This is amazing! Huh, wait a minute. What's that? It's an eagle! It's an eagle! It's an eagle! It's an eagle! Ah! Whoa! Oh, where am I now? Oh, I can see a little fish. Hey, it's getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Oh, look, it's a whale. It's a whale. It's a whale. It's a whale. Oh, hello. Oh, this is crazy. Oh, I'm in the whale's mouth. How can I get out of here? Oh, haha. I know! I can tickle my way out! Watch this! Oh, hey! Oh, this is a nice soft seat. It feels like an armchair, but it's not my armchair, is it? Is it? No! Look! It's a bull! Oh, it's a bull! Oh, it's a bull! Whoa! It's a bull!
Oh, God! Oh, Steve! There you are! Where have you been?
Oh, Maggie, you wouldn't believe me if I told you. Oh, you naughty, naughty bird.
Happy birthday, dear Steve! Happy birthday to you!
Oh, wow! Thanks, Maggie. Oh, hello, boys and girls. Today, it's my birthday.
Yeah!
I've got a present. Oh, what's inside? What's inside? Let's find out. Wow!
Hey!
Hey!
Oh, silly Steve!
It's empty.
It's at the bottom!
Really? Oh, yeah, down there. Aha! Yay! A remote control! Oh, but a remote control for what? Let's find out. Yeah! A remote controlled present! Wow!
Open it, Steve! Open it!
Okay, let's make it come back. Yay! Great! Oh, hey, boys and girls, what do you think is in the present? Let's find out. Yeah! Hey, what a naughty present.
Silly Steve!
Hold on. This is Maggie, isn't it?
Yeah.
Being a naughty, naughty bird.
Sorry, Steve. Okay, you can open your present now.
Oh, yeah! Come on, let's see what's inside. Let's open it. Let's open it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Maggie. Wow! A monster truck. Come on, let's try it out. Whoa!
Look at him! Oh, Steve! You really are a bad driver!
No, Maggie, I'm a really good driver.
driver when I get behind the wheel.
Really?
Yes, Maggie, of course.
Let's find out! Abracadabra!
Wow! Look at my monster truck. Come on, let's go.
Hey, let's have some fun with Steve and his monster truck! Look out, Steve!
I'm unstoppable when I'm in my monster truck. I'm unstoppable when I'm in my monster truck. You can't stop me, no, I'll never get stuck.
Oh, nothing can stop me in my monster truck. I'm unstoppable. Oh, hey, what's that? What's going on? Ah, a bucket! Oh, another bucket! Oh, and another bucket! Oh, buckets! Buckets! Buckets everywhere! Oh, a red bucket! A blue bucket! A yellow bucket! A green bucket! A zebra bucket! Oh! Oh, hey! Who turned the lights out? That's not fair! Hold on. I'm unstoppable! Nothing can stop me! Oh, not even that!
I'm unstoppable when I'm in my monster truck. I'm unstoppable when I'm in my monster truck. You can't stop me, no, I'll never get stuck.
Oh, that was fun! And it didn't stop me. No, no, no! I'm unstoppable! Let's go! Oh! What's Maggie got? She's got a tube!
Yeah.
She's trying to stop me with a big tube! Oh no! I'm going to hit it! Oh! Oh! Where am I? Oh! I'm in a tunnel! Oh! A tunnel! A tunnel! Oh! How do I get out of here? Oh! Hey! You see? I am a good driver, aren't I? Yeah! Oh no! A slide! But I am unstoppable! Hey! Oh wow! You see, I really am unstoppable! Yay! Oh, and that looks fun! Yeah!
I'm unstoppable when I'm in my monster truck. I'm unstoppable when I'm in my monster truck. You can't stop me, no, I'll never get stuck.
Oh, that sandpit was great fun! Let's do it again! Yeah!
Hey, what will stop Steve in his monster truck? I know! Dinosaurs! Yeah!
Oh, it's Maggie! Hey, boys and girls, do you know how Maggie's going to stop me now? Oh, what? Dinosaurs! Dinosaurs! Oh, a purple dinosaur! A yellow dinosaur! An orange dinosaur! Oh, dinosaurs! 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 A mountain of dinosaurs! This is crazy! Oh, great! You see, not even a mountain of dinosaurs can stop me. No, no, no! I'm unstoppable! Oh, oh, oh no! I can't stop here. I'm unstoppable! Come on, let's go!
I'm unstoppable when I'm in my monster truck. I'm unstoppable when I'm in my monster truck. You can't stop me, no, I'll never get stuck.
You see, Maggie, you can't stop me. Where is that naughty, naughty bird?
Look behind you!
Oh no! Balls! Oh, a football! Oh, a basketball! Oh, a rugby ball! Oh, a volleyball! Oh, a beach ball! Oh, ow! You see, Maggie, you can't stop me. I'm unstoppable.
Oh, no! Stop, Steve! Stop! I mean it! Stop!
No, Maggie. I'm unstoppable! Oh, no! Okay, maybe I'll stop for a bit of cake. Happy birthday to me! Oh, this is the best birthday ever!
Let's play Dinosaur, Steve!
Whoa! Where am I? What's going on? Oh, hi, boys and girls. Do you know where I am? What was that? Oh, wow! I'm in the land of the dinosaurs. Amazing! Oh, Maggie! Help! Oh, wow! Thanks, Maggie. Maggie? That's not Maggie. That's a pterodactyl. Yeah!
A pterodactyl is a dinosaur. A pterodactyl is a dinosaur. A pterodactyl is a dinosaur. And if I were a dinosaur, I'd roar, roar, roar like a dinosaur. Roar, roar, roar.
Yeah! Oh, wow! I'm happy to say bye-bye to that pterodactyl. Oh, but where am I now? Hey, do you know, boys and girls? Where am I? Oh, no! I'm stuck on top of a big tree! Oh, how do I get down from here? Oh, my legs are shaking. Hold on. The tree's shaking! Everything's shaking! What's happening? What's happening? Oh, aha! It stopped! Ha! It must be Maggie being a naughty, naughty bird, isn't it, boys and girls? What? It isn't? And what is it? Oh, look! It's a brontosaurus! Wow! It's so big! Look at its long neck! Aha! Its long neck! That gives me an idea! The brontosaurus can help me get down from this big tree! Yeah!
A brontosaurus is a dinosaur. A brontosaurus is a dinosaur. A brontosaurus is a dinosaur. And if I were a dinosaur, I'd roar, roar, roar like a dinosaur. Roar, roar, roar.
Yeah! Oh! Oh! Ugh! Oh, what's that smell? Oh, it smells like doo-doo. Oh, it is doo-doo. Ah! Oh, I fell in dino doo-doo. Oh, I have to find somewhere to wash this off. Oh, great! I found some fresh water to wash off this dino doo-doo. Whoa, it's pretty poggy poop. Yeah. Oh, what now? Oh, is it the friendly brontosaurus again? Ah, no, that's not friendly. I need somewhere to hide. Shh, be quiet, boys and girls. Look, it's a Tyrannosaurus Rex. Yeah, a T-Rex.
A T-Rex is a dinosaur. T-Rex is a dinosaur. A T-Rex is a dinosaur. And if I were a dinosaur, I'd roar, roar, roar like a dinosaur. Roar, roar, roar.
Yeah, it's not chocolate. It's Go away. I mean, I wasn't scared, but I'm glad he's gone. Hey, what's that? There it is again. Oh, look, it's coming from that egg. Wow, that's the biggest egg I've ever seen. Oh, it's opening, it's opening. Oh, it's a little baby. Triceratops. Oh, dino slobber and dino doo-doo. Oh, this is a terrible day. Oh, no, I'm not your mama. I'm not your dada either. No, you are a Triceratops. Yeah. Triceratops is a dinosaur. Triceratops is a dinosaur. Triceratops is a dinosaur. And if I were a dinosaur, I'd roar, roar, roar like a dinosaur. Roar, roar, roar. Oh, oh no, just stay there, you crazy little Triceratops. Oh, hey, what was that? Oh, I think I found his mama and dada. Oh, hey, oh, stop it. Oh,
Steve, wake up, wake up. Wake
what? Oh, Maggie, it's you.
Yeah.
You naughty, naughty bird.
Come on, let's play with dinosaurs.
Okay, come on, everyone. We can all roar like dinosaurs, can't we?
Yay!
Where is it? Where is it? Aha! Up on the top shelf.
Oh, Steve, are you trying to climb the bookcase?
No, Maggie. I'm trying to reach a book that I want to read. Yeah.
That's no fun. Let's go climbing. Abracadabra!
Oh, hey, where am I? Oh, that naughty bird. She's put me on a climbing wall. A climbing wall. A climbing wall.
So climb, Steve, for a Stevie star at the top. Yeah.
Okay, let's get to the top. Yeah. Oh.
Really want that Stevie star. Yeah. Oh, buzz off. Oh, that's not fair. That fly got in my way. Come on, I'm going to get to the top for a Stevie star. Yeah. I'm going to get a Stevie star. Wow, that was great fun. But hey, let's see if I can get to the top for a Stevie star. Yeah. Yeah, I made it to the top. I get a Stevie star. Woohoo! That was brilliant. Yay! I'm going to do it again for another Stevie star. Yeah! Oh, this is a little bit dangerous.
Yeah, let's make it really dangerous. Abracadabra! Floor is lava!
Naughty bird! The floor is lava!
Yeah! Don't fall in and you will win!
Okay, Maggie, let's go. Okay.
Floor is lava, don't fall in, don't fall in. Stay out of the lava, and you will win. You will win!
I really hope I don't fall into the lava.
Floor is lava, don't fall in, don't fall in. Stay out of the lava, and you will win. You will win! Okay, I'll rescue Steve for one Stevie star! Abracadabra!
Oh, wow! Thanks, Maggie. Come on, boys and girls, let's do this. Almost there. Yeah! I made it! I get a Stevie star! Come on, let's play more Floor is Lava! Yeah!
Wow! Hey, will Steve get across the beam for another Stevie Star? Let's find out! Yeah!
Oh, wow! Look, the floor is lava, and I have to walk across this beam. Come on, let's go. Look, it's a beam. It's a beam. It's a beam. Oh, Maggie, help! Help!
Okay, for a Stevie Star, abracadabra!
Oh, wow! Thanks, Maggie. Hey, I haven't got any more Stevie Stars, so I can't fall again. I can do this. Wow! A big jump to finish. I made it across the lava. I get a Stevie Star. Yeah! Come on, let's do more. Hey! Let's play Floor is Lava. Right, I have to get over these swings to the cargo net. The cargo net, the cargo net. Right, oh, here we go. Uh-oh. Oh, this is not easy. Right, let's get to the cargo net. Oh dear. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yeah. Let's go. Oh no. Maggie.
Okay, I'll rescue Steve for another Stevie Star. Abracadabra!
Thanks, Maggie. Right. No more Stevie Stars. So I have to get across without falling into the lava. Yes. Yeah. Get my foot out of the cargo net, and I've made it across. Yeah. Right. 1 Stevie Star for me. Hooray! Let's play again. Come on. Oh, look, the floor is lava, and I've got to get through these holes to the other side. Right, let's go. Okay. Wow! Yay! Nearly there. Okay. Right. Okay. Now, just grab.
Okay, let's rescue Steve for another Stevie Star. Abracadabra!
Oh, wow! Thanks, Maggie! Okay, I haven't got any more Stevie Stars, so I can't fall this time, or I'll be in the lava! Come on, we can do it!
Floor is lava, floor is lava. Don't fall in, don't fall in. Stay out of the lava, stay out of the lava, and you will win. You will win!
Yeah! I made it across! I get a Stevie Star! Yeah! Let's do some more. Come on! Okay, look! The floor is lava, and this is all about rings. Look! They are rings! They are rings! They are rings! Okay, put my feet in here. Oh, got it! Yeah! Ah! Oh, I don't want to fall into the lava! Ah!
Another Stevie Star for me! Abracadabra!
Oh, wow! Thanks, Maggie! Okay, let's get across on these rings. Yeah! I made it!
Look out! Oh, silly Steve!
Yeah! I got across, so I get a Stevie Star!
Yeah, and you finished with 1 star! So, let's see what you've won! Abracadabra!
Oh, so Maggie, what do I win? What do I win?
Well, you've got 1 star, so you win a worm sandwich!
Oh, wow, a warm sandwich. That sounds delicious, doesn't it, boys and
No,
girls?
Steve, it's a worm sandwich!
What?
Abracadabra!
Oh,
Yay!
that's not a warm sandwich. That's a cold worm sandwich.
yummy!
Oh, Maggie, you can have my prize. So, can I have your prize?
Okay.
Hey, what do I win for 5 stars?
5 worm sandwiches! Abracadabra!
Oh, 5 worm sandwiches. Oh, hey, it was a lot of fun playing Floor is Lava, wasn't it? See you next time, boys and girls. Bye for now.
Delicious!